As I told, local authority, it's your right on local services. Yeah, it's about it's about water, hot water or clean water, cold water and clean water, electricity, about heating, about cleaning of the territory, about local roads, about municipal public transport, and actually, it's yours because it is your property. All local transport, your property. Think about it. Not a mayor or local council or deputy. Actually, it's our old Soviet Union myth that our representatives like gods. Yeah. No, they just our employees. That's all, managers. So you should know more information about your local representatives, about political parties, about not just faces actually, because our people vote representatives for faces, yeah, for promises, not for real cases, not for real programs. But then they ask why we live in so bad situation. Actually, I don't know why.